Hello fellow traders. Today the market was a little undecided. Churned a little bit. S&P right on the 50-day. Volume dropped off. We're basically at the mercy of the administration and Geithner. Obviously things don't look good like I've said. The market should definitely be heading lower, but we still have a chance here for a little more of a run. You know, I lightened up on Schwab a little bit in the mid-14s. Still holding a good chunk. I'm going to show you on the Schwab chart what's going on, teach you guys a little bit, and show you what I think. As far as the overall market, the S&P pretty much closed right on the nut today on their 50-day. Battled above it a little bit, battled below it, and volume was light. Seems like everybody's turning negative already, expecting the sell-off, so maybe we're going to rally this time after the announcement. I tried to pick up some puts on Hog today. They didn't trigger. And picked up another ETF I really like, the SSO. Tracks the S&P 500. I'm looking to get some puts on that. So if this market ramps up tomorrow, Geithner's thing, we get a good rally up. You know, a good stretch up, maybe S&P above the 50-day and Dow to the 50-day. I'll definitely be buying some puts on the SSO. I just like the Hog puts too because of the deal that they made with Warren Buffett. His company gave him a big loan with huge interest rate. Not good. When he gave GE that loan and bought into GE at 22, look at them now, they went all the way to 10. I think he bought into one of those banks too that just crumbled afterwards, you know, like Goldman and Sachs. Gave them a big loan too, like $5 billion, and they've done nothing but go down. You know, just kind of playing it. I'd like to get some Hog puts too. Let me grab this camera right here. What I'm going to show you right here is the chart for Schwab, and this is what's going on. Remember last week when I said they did us a favor? They brought us from the top of the trend to the bottom of the trend fast, opened the door for a new move, and there it was. Okay. I drew this line here because this is going to be a massive battle to get through there. See, so I'm going to lighten up some shares right there, right as we're crossing through 15. If we're not powering, if the market's not powering, our leaders aren't powering, I could, you know, dump everything right there. You know, if they end up bogging on the stimulus, and Geithner bogues with his plan and people just aren't liking it and we get our little lift, I'm probably going to dump right there, you know. I would like to see the break up, hit the 50-day like it did here, but we sold off hard. Now we're creeping up to it. You know, we had strong volume. Volume died off today, which is good because we had a churning day. We just need some breakout action. We haven't got it yet. You know, there's just no breakout action. And I'm definitely going to be looking to lighten up on that right as we go through 15 if we get it. I'm going to switch over here. This is the S&P right here. This is where we're at. There's the 50-day right there. When we hit the 50-day, that's where Schwab hit the 50-day. We sold off. We're back to it. You know, I don't know. We need some power moving going on. We need some breaking out happening here. And As you can see, we're right on the nut right there. Low volume, up, down, churn, what I was talking about. I like that. Let's come over here real quick. I just brought it up so we can draw some lines. Let's come up into the 50-day. Look at this one I'm seeing too. See, I like that. You know, remember how we broke through the downtrend and then we had our, I mean, we should get up. Like if we break through, this S&P is a strong indicator right now, much stronger than the Dow as far as pulling things with it. And if we get this breakthrough here and they, you know, like I say, play the game right and run that ball down the field, we could see 1,000. You know, I'm growing a little more optimistic, that's for sure. You know, there's another good sign. You know, we're above the big bottoms that we made. Bottom, then we battled it. That was like the you know, shakeout right there. And see how we haven't went down below it again? See that? Battled it again, stayed above it, battled it again, battled again. I mean, you know, these guys really got to blow it right now because this market's wanting to rally, and we're going to see if we're going to get it. So tomorrow, let's see if the plan comes through, if people like what they hear. Let's see if we can't get above that 50-day, you know, with some conviction, because you'll see, I mean, once these break through these key resistance levels, the volume kicks and we will run. It'll be a fast run. I know it seems like it's been a slow climb from 7,800 to 8,300, back to 7,900, back to 8,300. We like that, because if it breaks up to the upside and this guy comes out and amazes us with some good plans to make it feel like it's going to work, we're going to have a strong breakout. And those of us that have built positions in good solid companies at low levels will be rewarded. Am I nervous? Yeah. I mean, we're trading, and my palm puts aren't doing nothing. That thing's a floater, and like I said, I tried to get some hog puts and some SSO puts today, and tomorrow's a new day. If we get a run, one of these crazy days where he comes out and we're up 500-600, I know it sounds crazy because we haven't had it in a while, but we're due. I will be buying some puts, and I will be lightening up on my long position. I did add a little more LDK today, under 11. I love LDK. I know the solar sector got upgraded today, but I started building my position before this upgrade. I like being early to the game. Tried to pick up some more Disney, had a buy-in at 19, didn't hit it, didn't move it. Good luck.